what is noticeable in comprehensions, whenever children are asked to give degrees of liking, disliking, they always tend to go for the extremes. So how does Sarah feel about the cat? Does she hate it? Does she dislike it? Is she indifferent? Does she like it? Does she love it? And most of the children will either go for hate or for love. Whereas, to be honest, in the adult world, it's very rare that people hate or love things. That's why when you say "I love you," it's a really special thing, because it is special. Maybe children do occupy the extremes more. Certainly, my mum hated Brussels sprouts. She still does. So, really consider, hate is a very hard, very angry, all-consuming passion. To say you hate Brussels sprouts, that's, I think there are few people that have reason to truly hate anything. And love is something that's absolutely brilliant, but it's there as a pinnacle. You should aim for it in all that you do, but don't be surprised if you don't get it. Most of our lives is spent in the like, the indifferent, and the dislike. I dislike doing the dishes, but do I do it? Of course I do. I like having a clean bathroom. Of course I do. It's nice. I'm indifferent to... can't think of anything I'm indifferent to at the moment. The tea that I have in this cup. It's okay. It's not great. It's not bad. It's hot and it's keeping me warm. So therefore I like it. See what I mean? But very rarely do the questions occupy the extremes, but mostly the children select those. So be cautious if you are asked this kind of question. See you soon.